Names of soup ingredients. Names of soup ingredients. Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma. Ihe ọmụmụ anyị nke taa ga-abụ ihe ọmụmụ aha ngwa ofe, aha ihe ndị eji esi ofe n'asụsụ Igbo. Let's go straight into the lesson. The first one is melon. Melon. The name of melon in Igbo language is egusi. Say it. Good. Say it again. Egusi. Beautiful. The next one is fish. The name of fish in Igbo language is azu. Azu. Say it with me. Say azu. Beautiful. Another one is meat. The name of meat in Igbo language is anu. Say it with me. Say anu. Beautiful. The next one is palm oil. The name of palm oil in Igbo language is mmanụ nri. Mmanụ nri. Say it with me. Beautiful. Another one is onions. The name of onions in Igbo language is yabasị. Yabasị. Say it with me. Yabasị. Good. Another one is salt. Salt. The name of salt in Igbo language is nnu. Nnu. Say it with me. Say nnu. Beautiful. Another one is stockfish. The name of stockfish in Igbo language is okporoko. Say okporoko. Good. Say it again. Okporoko. Another one is pepper. Pepper. The name of pepper in Igbo language is ose. Ose. Say it after me. Say ose. Good one. Another one is crayfish. The name of crayfish in Igbo language is ayiya. Ayiya. I don't know what you guys call it in your dialect, but it is called ayiya. Water leaf, that is, if you want to use water leaf for your soup, the name is mbolodu or mbolodi. Anyone you want to call it. Mbolodu or mbolodi. Beautiful. So, guys, for today, this is the end of our lesson. See you next time. Bye. And before you go, do not forget to like, to share, to subscribe, to follow for more Igbo lessons. Bye.